client has this issue where the water is running down from their door handles, causing hard water staining. So this panel's been hand washed and it still has these hard water stains. I'm going to clay it next, see if that removes it, and then if it doesn't, we'll move on to a hard water stain remover. So this panel has been washed and now clay barred. The hard water stain still remains on the panel. So I'll be using my dedicated water spot remover here. I use Fireball water spot remover. You spray it on the panel, let it sit for a moment, then you're going to take a microfiber towel, agitate the product into the panel. By doing so, it chemically removes the hard water stains from the panel. The benefit of using a hard water spot remover versus just polishing it off is sometimes when polishing, you're not completely removing the hard water stain, you're just masking it, versus chemically removing with a water spot remover. After the hard water spot remover is applied, you have to rinse the panel. I'm spraying on my sealant as I'm rinsing it and drying. You can see that the product worked and completely removed the hard water stains from the panel.